Hello everyone, my name is Ale Herenisa with NIM F0B0250021 from Chemical Analyst. Today, in the third week, I will make a video about practicing body gesture, facial expression, and tone of voice when I delivering the text that I have. I will show you how I practice it until I felt it was good enough. I like to ask you to please raise your hand if you drove a road in car to get here today. Pretty much everyone of you did. Okay, now this is problematic because we are currently in a climate crisis. We have rising sea level, erosion, and increased tendency of flash flood, especially here in Maui. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, 29% of emissions come from the transportation sector, including the car we use every day. To solve this, people create electric vehicles which are believed to be more environmentally friendly. But if you think about it, electric cars get their energy from the power grid, which mostly relies on non-renewable sources like coal, oil, and natural gas. So even though electric cars don't have tailpipe, they still indirectly contribute to global warming. Moreover, according to the laws of thermodynamics, every energy conversion lost some energy as heat. The energy process in electric cars is much longer than in gasoline cars, making them less efficient. So, this was my theory, that electric cars may not be as good as we were led to assume by the zero emission logos on the back of many electric vehicles. But I want to prove this statistically and numerically, rather than just my high school brain thinking it over. So, I conducted a research project. Do electric vehicles actually operate as environmentally friendly as we believe them to be? I thought, how could I model this electric vehicle to show their indirect carbon emission? This was tricky because according to the Department of Transportation, electric vehicle efficiency depends on factors such as how you drive, your drink, your driving habits, the temperature outside, the slope of the road, and the road condition. All of this affect how efficient an electric car is beyond what the manufacturer beyond the what beyond what the manufacturer claims. So, I thought back to a retro film for our car. We look at gas mileage right? That reflects how we drive. I want to translate this to an electric car. Your car dashboard usually show a range and a kilowatt hour capacity, how much your battery holds. I thought this number of a 64 participant survey and drew up a linear model of how much carbon dioxide an electric car produces specific to the Maui population. Then I did the same for combustion powered cars and converter. The results were what I expect. An electric car is actually worse for the environment initially, at least on the island of Maui. Science infrastructure differs, but they become better after about 60 100 miles. From that point on, electric cars are more sustainable in the long run. However, they work intensely because of the high startup emission costs, mainly from lithium battery mining, which is detrimental to ecology and quite large emission. I also conducted another survey of 30 third participants to analyze how they perceive electric vehicle, much like I survey you just now. I found that the public significantly misperceive the environmental benefit of electric vehicles. No, my point is not to say you are wrong or to stop driving electric vehicle, because no, they are still better in the long run than petroleum powered one. My point is we should take a step back and analyze all our sustainability initiatives as system rather than as singular entity. We should look at repercussion of everything as a whole. How things tie into one another, how our transportation sector ties into our energy production sector. Everything we do is interconnected, and every choice we make has ripple effect on the planet. So I want you to think now, what are you doing that is sustainable or that you think is sustainable? How can we better it? how can we maximize our sustainable profit, and how can we better the earth. Thank you so much. See you next week.